Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to do color grading and add filters to your videos on CapCut. So here I've already imported a video, and to add a filter you just need to swipe the menu at the bottom and you'll find filter. So here there are lots of filters that you can select from. You can just choose one based on your need. What color do you want to be applied to your clips? So I'm going to find let's say I'm using this patch filter. And to do the color grading, you don't need to go back. You can just click on the adjust in here, and these are options that you can adjust on the color grading. So for example, I'm going to lower the brightness, add some contrast. I'm going to just leave the saturation as it is, and also the sharpen. I'm going to increase it a little bit, maybe 10. And here the HSL is color correction on. You can do each color. For example, I'm going to do some green in here. I'm going to adjust the green color on the clip like so. When you're done, just go back again, and this is the grabs. This is for the curve. You can use this to adjust like the brightness of the video. And here are highlight. You can also add shadow and temperature in here. Okay, so the hue also, and if you want, you can also add some vignette or grain effect. So after you're done, just click on the check icon, and that's basically it. I hope this will be helpful, so don't forget to click thanks, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment if you have any question, and also click on the thumbs up icon. Bye.